Hi, this is Monique. Welcome to my channel. I do educational and how-to videos on this channel and I publish them 3 times a week. So if you like this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Today we are going to go over the Ihome Power Clock. It's a Bluetooth speaker and alarm clock, and it also has USB charging points on it, and it also has a kind of ambient light system on it. So let's actually get into unboxing this new gadget. So let's actually read some of the specs for this clock. It says that it's a Bluetooth speaker with 2 USB charging ports, and that's what it looks like. Actually, it looks really sleek and cool, and I think it's going to be a really neat gadget that I can put on my bedside table or put anywhere really in my house. But basically it's an alarm clock and like a clock radio. So we are going to see what it looks like with the light, the aestheticness of it, what it sounds like, actually what the speaker actually sounds like. And we're going to look at some of the kind of cool areas where you can charge your cell phone. It's got Bluetooth in it. It says it's got a dual alarm. It's got 2 USB charging points. It's got ambient light. It's got a clock display that comes through. You can see on the front there. And yeah, it's got a silent or like sound alarm as well. So this is going to be really cool. Ooh, we open it up. What is that? There's a QR code on the side. And what does the QR code say? Instructions to the product. But there's also some instructions in there too for Ihome Power Clock. This is French. Oh, and that one's English. There we go. Those are the instructions. It says how to set it up. Okay, and there's a little box, and I'm guessing this probably has something like the cords and stuff, all that in there. Let's see. Yeah, there's one. And it looks like, ta-da, it is. Okay, so this is pretty long, actually. That's good. I won't have to worry about stretching it to like find an outlet or anything. Yeah, look at that. Super long. Okay, so let's just put that down here. And ooh, it's got a little container to protect it. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, I don't think there's anything else in this box. Just a little container there. And then even more packaging. A little bag. Wow. I actually like this right away. This is what it looks like. It actually looks pretty compact. The plastic is a little surprising, but you know, this is a cheaper product, but it still looks really sleek. I like it a lot. Let's just first look at the top of the clock. Okay, so it says Ihome on the front. It's got some sort of material that's really soft, kind of fabric. And at the top, there's a big snooze button. And there's like a power button. There's a button that you press to get your ambient lighting. There's a plus and minus button, and then there's a play button. If we turn it around, you'll see some of the buttons on the back and the Ihome logo on the back too. So these are like the ambient lighting kind of where they originate from. And it's soft. It feels almost like rubber, actually. So that's a nice feeling. Here there are 2 USB charging points right there. And then there's like the connection where the power goes in. And then there is a button for your alarm, a button for Bluetooth, one for sleep, and then another alarm one. So that's basically it. So I'm going to come back and I'm going to plug this in and we'll see what it actually looks like live. I've turned it on, that's what the display looks like. And so I'm just going to set it up. It looks like the buttons on the top light up. I'm actually going to turn off the light so you can see what it looks like for now. The numbers are clear, and on the top also it's lit up, all the buttons there. So I like that already. So let's just set this clock first. So it looks like I have to press down this thing to set it, and it's flashing. It's pretty simple. Right now it is 7:15. So I should be able to just, oh, it stopped. Oh my God, that means you only have a couple seconds. Okay, so it's flashing. Seems like it's pretty self-explanatory actually, how like everything works. I haven't seen how the ambient light works. Let's see, let's press the button. Ooh, okay, so I don't think you guys can see this, so I'm gonna turn it around and turn off the lights again. This is the ambient lighting, which I think is pretty cool. If you had it against like a black wall or something, that would look pretty cool. I like that it kind of looks like it's backlit because you have that lighting. It does look pretty awesome to me. That's what it looks like. Let's just turn off our little light, but you just press a button and it kind of like comes on straight away. So I do like that. I am actually going to use this around the house for a little bit and see. I'm going to pair this with my cell phone in a minute as well, so that, you know, you can play music or you can sync it with your cell phone and have other kind of, you know, actions, so that you don't just have the sound of the radio to wake you up as well. So I want to see how you listen to the radio on this. Okay, I'll try to find some classical music here so I can play and see what it sounds like. That doesn't sound too bad. Sounds pretty good. Basically, I'm playing stuff off of my Spotify playlist on my phone through the speaker, so it works really well. I thought that sounded pretty good for, you know, a reasonable purchase. Okay, my final thoughts on this speaker is that it's very nice, very compact, and a good buy for kind of something that you can get at a tech store, or you can buy on Amazon.com, or, you know, you can buy it at Walmart or somewhere like that. It plays reasonably well. It connected pretty easily, and it's got really cool ambient light. So I'm going to be using this for maybe like a week or two instead of my regular clock radio, and we'll see. Plus, it doesn't take up a lot of space. I can fit it in one hand. Look at that. All right, so if you like this review, please subscribe to my channel for the next one.